How to download Microsoft Offices or PowerPoint free on your Windows PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download your PowerPoint for free on your laptop or PC. So first thing you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser and search in the following command, that is Microsoft 365 login. And once you are in the first site, simply click on it and you'll be redirected to this page. And once you are inside here, simply click on sign in and just make sure you have a Microsoft account. If it's a student account, or if you are in a organization related to the education purpose, it will be a lot better because it will be completely free. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can just create one from over here. So if you have one, you will be redirected to this another page. Let me just show you. So if you already have an account, just make sure you sign in and you will be redirected to this page where you can see there is a lot of application on your browser. You can use it, use your PowerPoint offline online as well. So to get it offline to completely for free, simply click on this home button over here, and once you're inside here, you can see at the top right here there is an option called install and more. So once you click on it, you will have three different options. So first option is the one you should choose to install your Microsoft 365 apps on your computer device. So simply click on it, and once you click on it, wait for some time, and from over here simply click on install office and wait for some time again, and you can see the office setup.exe file will be officially downloaded, and you can wait for some time and just run this open.exe file just like this, and your file will successfully opened in a few seconds. So just wait for some time, and just like that your installation will be on its way. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.